Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Friday. I'm starting the vlog from Friday. Currently I'm working and we are having an office TGIF in the next 7 minutes, and I'm working. I'm waiting for the office TGIF to start so that I can have fun, and I have a couple of emails also to send. I had quite like some emails to send today, but I've sent everything just remaining once. I'm just looking at the document before I sent it. You guys must have seen a meeting that I had this weekend. I'm actually supposed to have friends over today, but one of them cancelled, and for that reason I'm going to be going to a house, but one of them is on her way now. So while I have this office TGIF, I'm shopping online, and then I'm about to send an email again. So I'm doing 3 things simultaneously. I'm actually shopping for stuff for my new small business. I'm starting up a small business, and I'm just looking to see if there are any other things that I want to send to my supplier to get for me before I close up and say, you know what, get those things for me. I'm just hoping that it works, because for business, when it comes to business, you might get everything right, but some things might just frustrate you out of business. This weekend I'm also going for my dermatologist appointment. I'm going to take you guys along with me on that. I'm all about like skincare products and all. I actually just got some. I'm looking at my package now. I actually just got some more. Let me show you guys the package. It's from this brand. Let me see if there's any address on. Okay, there's no address. It's from this brand Tika 4. So it's from Tika 4, but I really do not buy a lot of my products from Tika 4. I buy from hellobeauty.ng, but I decided to get some products for my sister-in-law. I actually bought something for her from this side because I think they're the only ones that stock that Neutrogena product in Nigeria. So I bought it for her. So yeah, this is the bag. I also got some things for myself. And what else? Yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my pancakes, because I posted a stack of delicious looking pancakes on my Instagram, and somebody was asking, like, I'm not like, you know what, nobody asks, but I'm going to show you guys how I do my pancakes, whatever. Hey guys, hi. So yeah, it's Saturday morning, and first things first, no videos are going up today. I'm sorry, but that's because I just don't want to like just film anything and post just for the sake of it, just because I need content, or I need to be like consistent. So I decided not to shoot anything today. However, today is like looking very crazy because there's a ban on Twitter in Nigeria. I know you guys can see something that's like is growing behind me, but really it's not, and I think this experiment has failed. Honestly, I've been trying out ways to preserve my spring onions because I really like to use them fresh, and I'm trying to see how I can make it fresh that I don't need to put it in the freezer or in the fridge, because I've realized that the fridge one tastes differently from when I first buy it. So I decided to use this old mayo bottle. I put some water in it, and then I put the roots inside, and this has been like 24 hours after I've done that, and look, there's no difference. It's actually still wilting, and I don't know if maybe it's because oxygen is not flowing, is not like going into the water. Maybe the water is now oxygen deprived, because there's really no space around for oxygen to like come into the water. So it's not working. I'll try something else. If it worked, what I would have done is to redecorate this and make it look nicer so that I can continue doing this with my spring onions. But since it's not working, I'm just going to throw this away and put my spring onions back into the fridge. And I got this basket also for like some fresh fruits and veggies. I don't want to use a lot of plastic. You guys know I always complain about like plenty plastic and all, like I don't like it. So I got this basket from the market when I went recently. I actually got 2. I have one for onions. Let me get that. Oh god, this is very full. See, I got one which I use for onions, garlic, ginger, all that stuff. So I have that one, and then the second one for fruits and veg. It's really small, but it works. Yeah. So yeah, let's just quickly go right into the pancake recipe. I have to show you guys something. So remember my last couple of videos, I was talking about alternative sources of milk, and I said almond milk. Almond milk was like, I couldn't drink it, and so I went to the store and I saw vanilla flavored almond milk. And guys, the only difference is that it just has this vanilla flavor. It's the same thing with the other almond milk, so don't worry. Hey guys, so I'm back from all my errands for the day. For tonight, I'm trying to fix dinner. I actually went to a supermarket and I saw some tortilla wraps, so I decided to make shawarma this evening for dinner. So I'm going to show you guys, what I'm doing, but I'm not going to be doing the recipe, like recipe, pardon me. All right guys, so here I have the hot dogs that will be going into the shawarma. I don't really like much, so even when I buy shawarma from outside, I always ask for one hot dog, not two, because I really don't see the need for two hot dogs like inside my shawarma. I really don't like that. So I wanted to make three. I need to add one more. I want to add one more because we always have this issue of saying, oh, it's just the both of us, so let me just make two, and at the end of the day we feel like, oh, I wish I made extra one. Wow, this is really nice guys. I'm super happy. Oh, let me show you guys the tortilla wrap that I got. This is the tortilla wrap that I got. It's called Torti Love. It's actually vegan. It's not like I'm a vegan. I'm not a vegan, but I just saw that it was vegan and it's like wheat flour wrap. So I'm like, okay, if I'm going to eat shawarma, I'm going to eat a wrap, let me make sure that it's healthy. I just picked it up and I like it. I also like that it's really wide, like you guys can see, it's really wide, so it doesn't fit in a lot of the filling. So I'm going to start on the filling. Meanwhile, I have the turkey boiling, so I'm making turkey shawarma. I don't know I don't know, but man, I'm super stoked. I like turkey. Chicken has one kind of taste with me, and I don't want beef because I've been eating goat's meat for like some time now. I'm putting it down to medium heat so that it cooks through and it cooks really well before I saute it. So yeah, this is what I'm doing tonight.